We stand as one, wounds that once divided, now undone. You see the broken places in our hearts, God the healer, where healing starts. It's possible through grace renewed, hands held together, spirits intertwined. In your love, true healing we find. God is healer, mending what was torn. In this marriage, love is reborn. From ashes rising, beauty you restore. It's possible, we praise you more. Silent tears have turned to songs of joy, every promise spoken undestroyed. Your gentle whisper speaks over our pain. In your presence we are whole again. Breathe your spirit, fill this holy space. Every hurt replaced by endless grace. Couples gathered, testimonies rise. It's possible before our eyes. God is healer, mending what was torn. In this marriage, love is reborn. From ashes rising, beauty you restore. It's possible, we praise you more. God is here.